Okay, we're going to do the Texas Stomp, and I'm going to turn my back to you so you can see the steps. We start with our right foot and we're going to walk forward, we're going to kick and clap and walk back. It's right foot forward, left, right, kick and clap, come back on the left, the right, the left and stomp. We'll do that again. It's right, kick, left, left, stomp. Now we're going to do a chassé to the right and a chassé to the left. To do that, you go side together, side, stomp, and now again to the left, side together, side, stomp. So we'll do that little bit again. It goes side together, side, stomp, side together, side, stomp. Now we'll go from the beginning, starting with the right foot, right, kick and clap, left, stomp, right together, right, stomp, left together, left, stomp. Now we come to the third bit. You'll be pleased to know that's halfway through. The third bit is a step to the right and stomp, a step to the left and stomp, rock forward and tap time, back on the left and tap time again by just using your toe. We'll do that again. It goes right, stomp, left, stomp, rock forward and rock back. Okay? Let's do the whole thing from the beginning, starting with the right foot again. Right, kick, left, stomp, right together, right, stomp, left together, left, stomp, right, stomp, left, stomp, rock forward, rock back. There you go, that's the third bit done. Okay, now we come to the final part of the dance, then you can practice this to music. The final part consists of right foot forward, feet together, right foot forward, feet together, and these are on the diagonal. Then you change diagonal and you go left foot forward, feet together, and as you step on the left foot, you're going to swing around a half a turn, keeping the right foot free, because that's the start of the dance again. So we'll do that last little bit again, but we'll pick the tempo up just very slightly for you. Right forward together, left forward together, and half a turn left, ready to start the dance. Okay, we'll piece it all together from the beginning. Starting with the right foot, it goes right, kick, left, stomp, right together, right, stomp, left together, left, stomp, right, stomp, left, stomp, rock forward and rock back, right forward, left forward and half a turn. Okay, now you can see how that's put together. Now what we'll do is we'll run this twice now so that you can see the actions why you have to keep that right foot free to walk forward again. So let's run it twice now, then we shall have some music. Go. Right, left, left, right together, right, stomp, left together, left, stomp, right, stomp, left, stomp, rock forward, rock back, right foot forward, left foot forward and turn. Start again, right, kick and clap, left, left, and right together, right, and left together, left, and right, and left, rock forward, rock back, and the right forward, left forward and turn around. There you go, that's the Texas Stomp. Let's dance it to music.
As we travel on life's journey, we see so many things we'd like to change. As we walk along life's highway, we'll pass some fallen heroes on the way. And every